Those of you who were here earlier can look around, you'll see that already the arena is beginning to fill up. And by 3 or 4 o'clock, if the heavens don't open, the arena will get even fuller. So if you want to get a good view of what's going to happen and join in the dancing that will happen later on throughout the day, then we invite you to come closer up to the stage. This area here gets very popular, so if you want to be part of that, do come forward. The information tent is the one that's next to that, and that's where you can pick up information not only about today and the running order and the groups who are appearing, but also the festival CD, which I'll be mentioning time and again throughout the day. Information tent just across there in the middle. Weather is what it is London, it is July, that means it's summer, don't blink because you might miss it. And the theme for this year's festival again is Diaspora. Those of you who've been following the festival for many years will know that we've been looking at the theme of migration. Now this has not been primarily an intellectual exercise alone, it's also been to get a sense of what it is that it means to live in this city. How is it that so many people from all around the world have come to live here? And how do we learn to live together? So those are the really simple ideas behind this year's event and this exploration into the phenomenon of mass migration from all over the world into places like London. And London is a place that's got over 300 languages spoken, as many of us know, hundreds of communities from different parts of the world and with different belief systems. And I think we wanted to get a sense of the richness of that and to bring some of that to the surface. A number of the groups have been performing for many years, some have recently begun. And the group that's going to come onto the stage just now is one that we're very privileged to have. It's from the London Uyghur community. They call it the London Uyghur Ensemble. I'm going to look around now to see whether we have the group ready. They are. The Uyghur community, for those of you who don't know, the Uyghurs come from Central Asia all the way through to Xinjiang in Western China. Those of you who saw the Salam Festival in 2006 would have seen a group of Uyghurs that we brought from Xinjiang. This group is homegrown. It's led by a number of people who are quite close to the music village, including Rachel Harris. And it's my pleasure now to invite her and her group onto the stage. So perhaps you join me in welcoming the London Uyghur Ensemble. Thanks very much indeed.
Amen.